Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Copper. Copper means metal. For example, unless perhaps you were a copper going undercover. Unless perhaps you were a copper going undercover.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. North Yorkshire's top copper joined the police in 1975. Now, repeat after me. North Yorkshire's top copper joined the police in 1975. The second exemplar. Unless perhaps you were a copper going undercover. Now, repeat after me. Unless perhaps you were a copper going undercover. The third exemplar. It's the police force, the good coppers working for us. Now, repeat after me. It's the police force, the good coppers working for us.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
India has a higher English-speaking population than United Kingdom. Worldwide, India comes second only to the USA in its English-speaking population. The Empire Strikes Back, and how?
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.